तो बच चुके हैं 5 और कारवां के आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी है पिक्सी महाजन, जम्मू की पहली फीमेल डायरेक्टर और एक्टर। पिक्सी कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm definitely I'm perfect. I'm very perfect.
Good.
आप
You're
बताइए
looking
कैसा
nice
चल रहा है
also
बॉम्बे?
today. बॉम्बे अच्छा है
थैंक्स
अगर
अ लॉट,
आप
थैंक्स अ लॉट।
मेंटेन कर रहे
और
हैं
मेरे
सोशल
साथ
डिस्टेंसिंग।
मेरे साथ पिक्सी बता दूं, हर्षवर्धन भी मेरे साथ यहाँ पे है, मेरे को एंकर। और हम दोनों आपसे
अच्छा,
सवाल जो आज आपकी जर्नी के रिलेटेड है वो पूछेंगे। तो इसी से शुरू करते हैं कि बॉम्बे जो है कैसा चल रहा है।
बॉम्बे अभी देखिए जो लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं एंड मास्क पहन रहे हैं और ज्यादा भीड़ भाड़ वाले एरियाज में नहीं जा रहे हैं, वो बच के बैठे हुए हैं जैसे कि मैं। और जो इसको फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, यू नो व्हाट इज ऑल हैपनिंग। तो आई वांट टू गिव दिस मैसेज टू एवरीवन कि मास्क पहने, हाथ धोए, सैनिटाइज कीजिए और बाहर ज्यादा मत घूमिए, घर पे ही रहिए। अगर आपका कोई घर बीच के पास है तो थोड़े मजे ले सकते हैं, वरना आप घर पे ही बैठिए।
आपकी
आई जस्ट
लोकेशन
केम फॉर माई,
सही
नो आई
सही
डोंट
सही।
वांट टू डिस्क्लोज माई लोकेशन।
she don't want to disclose the location। हर्ष आप भी बॉम्बे काफी घूमे हैं, तो आप पहचान पा रहे हैं ये कौन सी लोकेशन है?
मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं काफी टाइम पहले गया था, तो मैं वही इनसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये कहाँ पर है।
थैंक गॉड फॉर दैट।
सही सही। तो हर्ष मेरे को लग रहा है कहीं ना कहीं पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं। अच्छा पिक्सी, पिक्सी जर्नी की शुरुआत जो थी इस जो फील्ड में जो जब आए तो कैसे जो शुरुआत हुई?
अच्छा, फील्ड में कैसे आए? सी आई वाज बोर्न इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, आई वाज ब्रॉट अप इन बैंगलोर। और फिर बैंगलोर में मैंने मिस फेमस साउथ इंडिया स्टाइल दिवा अवार्ड जीता 2014 में। देन आई गॉट अ मूवी, इट्स कॉल्ड एक तेरा साथ एज अ पैरेलल लीड एंड इट वाज रिलीज्ड इन 2016. Then I have also done my after coming from Bangalore, I did my acting course from Anupam Kher's Actor Prepares. And
क्या बात
from
है।
there the journey started. I started giving auditions and then I did one more movie, and I did a Tamil movie. It's not yet released. And then I did my first movie in as a director in Jammu and Kashmir, Nanne Farishte. So you all know that I'm a female director from Jammu and Kashmir, and
The only, I believe.
the only yeah. And I hope more girls come up and they become good directors. This is just my beginning. I have written one script. It's called Aprajita, the Undefeatable Karma, the title of my upcoming web series. I wrote this as a movie, but you know the situation right now. So theaters are closed and OTT platform have come up. So I
So
thought, why not a web
end
series?
of the day it's coming as a web series।
Yes, yes,
Nothing cool than
yes.
that, I guess।
So I want to
और हर्ष
prove
हर्ष मैं देख रहा
myself
हूँ काफी ज्यादा
in
जो
that.
लोग हैं वो आजकल आजकल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। पिक्सी, हर्ष और पिक्सी, मैं ये पूछूंगा आपसे कि आजकल काफी लोग जो है, जम्मू की मैं बात करूं, स्कूलेस करियर्स में निकल के आ रहे हैं, चाहे वो डांस का प्रोफेशन हो, एक्टिंग का प्रोफेशन हो, डायरेक्टिंग में काफी लोग जो है सिनेमा में निकल के आ रहे हैं। तो कितना फ्यूचर आपको लगता है कि आजकल ये जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जो करियर्स हैं उनमें है?
You want to you're asking me or both of us?
You
बोथ ऑफ
answer.
यू।
Okay. See,
You are
I
the better.
believe first of all you should do what you love.
Right.
Yeah. And when you do what you love, you will succeed, definitely succeed in that field. So even parents, I want to give this message to parents. I've been telling this from a long time, that they should not force their children to do you follow some career or a field. They should find out what their children are good in and they have interest in. So let them follow that.
So Pixie, what
And
about
you
those guys who are jack of all trades but master of none?
see, if they're not master of any field, then I would suggest that they should master in one field.
At least
maybe
one wish.
maybe they are trying out everything and they want to, you know, explore themselves and find out. It's okay. You can achieve at any age. There's no age. I believe that there's no age for achievements. Like recently, I worked with Mr. Pankaj Tripathi ji, and
Hmm.
he started his career when he was 45.
Very
So
right. Yes.
even Nana Patekar ji, I worked with him in Ab Tak Chappan Part 2. So he was the director in that, and even he came when he was in his 40s. So
So
even if
Pixie,
you are trying
how
different, yes,
important is how important is the role of a mentor and a proper guidance? Like if you want to pursue a particular field, like suppose acting. So how important is the grooming? Suppose you say theater. So what are the roles of these
it
aspects?
yes, a guru, a mentor plays a very good role, a very important role actually. So in my case, mentor was my own brother. He's younger to me, but he's senior to me in this field. So he guided me very well because he knows what is in this field, what all goes on. So
So
he
is
gave
he
me.
kind of lenient or strict towards you and your attitude towards work?
He's not strict, he's not lenient, but he tells me the right thing. Sometimes I become stubborn. He knows what is going to be the result of that, but still I'm stubborn. I was like, let me try. I end up you know, in the wrong thing. Then he says, I told you this, it's going to happen. But
Pixie,
he says, okay, yeah.
Pixie, I would like to ask you that जब आपने अपनी जर्नी शुरू की ना, so एक जर्नी की शुरुआत में क्यूरियोसिटी तो रहती है, नर्वसनेस भी रहती है, यार हो पाएगा कि नहीं, because you had the passion, you had the fire inside you, but somehow वो नर्वसनेस हर किसी को रहती है. तो उस नर्वसनेस को दूर करने के लिए what were your coping mechanisms? आप क्या किया करते थे जब आपको फेलियर मिलता था, you know, हर मोड़ पे, या आप कभी-कभी वो चीज नहीं अचीव कर पाते थे जो आपने सोची हो? So what would you do at that
हाँ,
point?
मेरी first movie is not a success. It's an educational movie, but we gave it our everything. You know, it's our baby. The first baby is very, very close to your heart. So it was like that. But we learned a lot, and failure doesn't scare me at all. It's okay. I believe it's part of learning and journey, and you keep learning.
It's a part of
So
life, yeah.
yeah. So whatever I have learned, whatever mistakes we have done in that movie, I will try not to incorporate in my upcoming project. Yeah.
So what are your
So
upcoming
failure
projects?
doesn't
And
scare me.
I can see your parents are pretty supportive.
Yes, they are. My
Your
whole
parents are
family
pretty
is very
supportive. So
supportive.
what's the role of parents? What's the role of
Parents' role
parents
is very important, you know, for
in
a
the children's
career.
career, bro?
Yeah, especially in a career like ours, Bollywood. For actors, I will say, because I've seen
Exactly.
here people, parents who support their children who are in this field, they flourish, they do good, they succeed. But some people also succeed who their parents don't support, but then eventually they end up doing drugs, they end up doing, you know,
Exactly.
wrong things, and they get into wrong paths
Company.
So
and
to
they
bad
their
habits, you can
directions.
say, right?
Yeah, they come to
Even
a certain level, but
some of
then
them end up doing suicides,
yes,
eloping from
parents,
their
you know,
houses.
they can keep you grounded. The success doesn't get to your head, or
Right.
they don't make you commit suicides. So they are there to emotionally support you, you know. So I think you should never leave your parents support, and parents also should always be at the side of their children to guide them, to
And how
support.
important is to follow your passion? How important is that in life to
How
follow your
important
passion, your dream?
it's very important. It's very
So
important. One should have passion. Only then you will love to live your life. You will be happy. You should have an aim. That's why in when you are small, everyone they are taught, or children are taught, what is your aim in life. So you should have the aim
And what if you are
in life
forced
should
to
not
pursue
be.
a career? Like,
Yeah,
what
and
if
the
you are
aim
forced to
should be.
pursue a career,
Uh,
right?
Let me cut you here, Zodi. Let me finish with this. And the aim should
Yeah.
be to be happy in life. what keeps you happy, and not hurting others.
Well
So
said. Very well said, Pixie. Very well said.
thank you, thank you. So when you choose a career,
And
you should
my
be,
question was what? Yeah.
yeah, please. Sorry, what's your question?
You continue. My question was, what if you are forcibly put to pursue a career?
Then you should bring up a counselor in between. When your parents are not understanding, and any situation for that matter, you get a counselor, because counselor or a psychologist or a psychiatrist, because like we have other doctors, maybe your parents need that counseling, maybe they are brought up differently, they don't understand. So you have to make them understand that they are wrong here. They need to understand that. Yeah.
Coming back to Jammu, Pixie, I'll tell you that if you talk about the suicidal cases, there are a spike out here. If you talk particularly about Jammu, right? The suicidal cases are frequently
Okay.
happening. So, how important is mental well-being?
Mental well-being is important, and I will say that suicide is not the answer. Reach out to your friends, who a family member who are you close with, and also suicides happen because there is lack of communication or lack of education. So I think we should have more groups where youths get together and they discuss about their problems, because maybe the youths can understand well, and in between that there should be a mentor or a senior person who can talk to their parents about their problems. So I think you guys, if you're in Jammu, create some groups like that. They can have that conversation. वो खुल के
We would
बात
love
कर सकते हैं.
we would love to know about your upcoming projects. Like, what are you up to? Like, what are you planning these days?
See, right now, before this lockdown happened, I shot few TV ads as an actor, and I did 2 web series. One with uh, this under Mukesh Chabra's casting. It's called Thulle, and the other one is called Maharani. And
Thulle.
Okay.
shortly they are coming up.
Thulle.
And Thulle. Thulle is
What's the first one? Was Thulle? It cops.
Thulle. Thulle. Yeah.
Like the slang for it is the slang for cops, I guess, right?
Yes. Ravina Tandon is the
And the
cop in
second
that.
one,
Maharani is the lead
nice,
is
big shot. So it's a big shot.
yes, and Maharani is
Huma Qureshi,
Huma
if I'm not
Qureshi.
wrong.
Huma Qureshi. Yes,
Huma
you're
Qureshi,
right.
I guess.
Huma Qureshi. Yeah.
She came here for the shoot too. She was here for the shoot.
Okay.
So a few
Okay.
shots
Yes.
are shot here, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, in Jammu. Yeah. The assembly
Yeah,
thing and all.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. And my
Nice.
personal one will be coming up after the lockdown. I will start shooting. Everything is ready. It's called Aprajita, the undefeatable karma. Last time Zori took me live after my
Yeah, on
first
Instagram.
promo for that. Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember.
So
Guys,
tell us a bit about Aprajita.
See, my real Aprajita, Pixie is my nickname. So I'm using Pixie in my
Okay.
field.
So
Yeah.
it's your screen
So,
name, right?
no, it's my real name, Aprajita.
No.
School name.
Pixie is your screen name, no?
Yeah, Pixie is my screen name. And
Nice.
Aprajita means undefeatable, जिसको कोई हरा नहीं सके.
Undefeated.
So कर्मा, if you take कर्मा को भी कोई हरा नहीं, आपको जरूर मिलेगा, उसका फल आपको जरूर मिलेगा. So in my upcoming web series Aprajita, I will be showing that how karma plays a role in one's life, and
right.
it's beautiful story. It's I'm not it's because I have written it. Doesn't mean that it's I'm praising it, but you wait and watch. I can't talk much about it right now.
Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it, Pixie.
Thank you. Me too. It's like my dream
Thanks a
project.
lot
I've been
for
working on
sparing
it.
your time.
Thank you so much for having me.
Big ups to you. Big up. You're making us proud. You're making us proud, right?
Thank you.
So in the end, Pixie, what message you want to convey to the people who are watching you through our medium?
Okay, a message. Uh,
especially the girls who aspire to be where you are right now. Those girls living in Jammu who aspire to be where you are right now. A
but
message for
but
those girls.
but they often but they often remain inside the four buildings or four walls of their houses, right? They
uh-huh.
often
So,
remain on the wheel side
but
Sorry, फिर
and
I
आपको
see
can't pursue their
Jammu
career.
girls are seen many of their footages on Instagram. There's so many girls who are doing good from Jammu. But for all those who are sitting at home and you want to be someone and you want to pursue your passion and for some reason you're not able to, और किसी भी वजह से आपका ये जो भी पैशन है वो पूरा नहीं हो पा रहा है, आप अपने पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक मीटिंग बिठाइए, बात कीजिए, खुल के बात कीजिए, डरिए मत, देयर योर पेरेंट्स एंड वो अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे फॉर आप अपनी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का हेल्प ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज ग्रैंड
और
पेरेंट्स
अगर
के
और
तो
अगर
बच्चे
कुछ नहीं
लाडले होते.
होता फिर उन्हें पिक्सी की जो फिल्में हैं वो दिखाइए. बिल्कुल मेरे को
दिखाइए
लगता है वो
मेरी
मान
फिल्म.
जाएंगे.
क्यों नहीं. Yes, or maybe
सही सही
you
सही.
have counselors in Jammu. Yeah, there must be counselors in Jammu also. So
Yeah,
they can
we
reach
have
out.
counselors
They,
out here.
but this concept, I don't think it's working there right now, right? They're not, so
People
broad-minded.
are adapting to it. Like it will happen gradually, I guess. Or they're not used to this culture,
Hmm, that is the sad part.
and even the counselors are not used to the people. You are not used to the crowd out here. So it's happening. It will
Oh,
happen gradually, I guess.
I think you guys take an initiative, make a group, and add those kind of friends. Maybe they you can say that don't reveal your identity. They can discuss,
right.
at least the solution can be there. They can get a solution if they don't
Exactly,
want to
exactly.
show who they are and all that. That will help.
Anonymous.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Thanks a
Yeah,
lot, Pixie,
anonymous.
for interacting with us. This was our J Town's female director Pixie Mahajan, tuned from
Most
Bombay,
welcome.
especially for our Caravan
Thank you.
program. Thanks a lot, Harshvardhan Singh, for joining me up.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
This is Vijay signing off, and
Nice meeting
I'll see
you.
you on the other side. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Take care.